Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a spiral that's inspired by the Golden State Warriors. Decide where you want the center of your spiral to be, give your shirt a little pinch, and then spiral it up. I happen to really love using this microwave lid cover thing that I got off Amazon, and I do have a link for it down below in the description box, and it really makes awesome spirals. Once you have your shirt all spiraled up, you need to secure it. I prefer to use rubber bands, and I got these from Amazon, and they're awesome rubber bands. They're nice and stretchy, and they rinse really well, so they're good for reusing. And you could also use kite string. It just really is a matter of preference. While I'm working on securing the shirt, I like to try to tuck in all the loose tails. It creates a nice tight spiral. I also try to have the rubber bands intersect in the center of the spiral. Now, that's not important. It doesn't matter. You could have the rubber bands going in all directions. It just helps me envision the pieces of the pie. Using a washable marker, mark out your pattern. So I completely blew it. I didn't hit record during the dyeing process, so I'm really bummed out about that. But what I did is I did two raven black pieces of pie, and then one of the golden yellow and one of the royal blue. And I did it on both the front and the back. You want to cover your project and let it batch for at least 24 hours. It's been 24 hours and now it's time for the rinse out. You want to start by using cold water, and that's going to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers of the shirt, and then gradually increase the water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here, I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, and I do a third hot water cycle using Millsoft, which brings softness back into the fabric after the dyeing process. Then I put it in the dryer, and we'll come back and we'll see our results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our spiral after it's been washed and dried. I think it turned out really cool. So the reason why I used black in between the blue and the yellow was because I was trying to avoid green. So when you make yours, that's something to take into consideration. And if you don't want to use the black, then leave space for white. Well, what do you guys think? Leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell and set it to all. That way you'll get notified for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.